How to sign up for Audible affiliate program. So once you go to audible.com, you will be selecting from two programs. So the first program is the Amazon Associates program, and the second program is the Creator program. So if you already have an Amazon Associates account, then it is best for you to continue using this program. But if you don't have an Amazon Associates program, then it is recommended for you to use this Creator program since it pays higher than Amazon, which is $15 for each trial membership. Whilst for Amazon, Audible Gold Digital Membership is for $10, Audible Free Trial Digital Membership for $5, and for Audible Audiobook, $50. So for Creator Program, to sign up, just click this, which will direct you to this page wherein you will have to input all the required information. So just type in your information, your company information. So for this company website, if you don't have any company website, then you can use your personal website, such as your social media accounts. And then for your promotional information, select the business model by clicking on this drop-down arrow button and select from any of these choices. Also, so for the property type, if you have websites, then turn on this toggle button. But if you have mobile, then turn on this toggle button. Or if you have social networks, then turn on this toggle button. So you can download this agreement by clicking on this. So once you're done with all your details, click sign up. So once you signed up, they will send you an email to your Gmail account, and then you have to activate that to successfully generate your Audible account. Once you're signed in, you will see this Review Audible Insertion Order. So in this, you will find your contract, so you may reread this again, but at the end of this, you will find this I approve the contract and want to continue button. So just click this. So you should see a notification which says that your account is pending and that you should just wait until the Audible program accepts your account. And so that is how you sign up for Audible affiliate program. Thank you and have a great day.